Hi, this is Arshia, and this is the submission for week 7's assignment, Final UI Prototype Demo. For the purpose of this course, I chose the prototype Plan a Trip, which required me to research on and design an application that allows users to plan their trips. In order to complete this task, I started with a survey asking users about how do they plan their trips currently, what tools do they use, what features would they like to see incorporated in the existing applications, and so on. I got some insightful data which I incorporated in my UI mockups as well. Apart from the user survey, I also did some independent research by going through existing trip planning applications. Some of the features in my final UI design are inspired by this research. For example, one of the most popular trip planning application in India is this site called Make My Trip. This is a brief overview of the site. As you can see, it has this section which allows you to specify your source and destination, your dates, number of people traveling, and whether you want to book a round trip or a one-way trip. The interesting thing about this site is that this section remains constant no matter what tab you are on. So it allows you to do many things with this information that you've entered here, such as explore hotels, explore trains, buses, etc. So this was a feature that I thought was very useful, and hence I included it in my application as well. Moving on, these are the high level user goals that I've outlined for the purpose of this application. So no matter what the purpose of your trip is, this is the bare minimum that you need to make sure that your trip is comfortable. First and foremost, you should be able to get details based on your source and destination. Secondly, you should be allowed to explore different means of transport that are available. Thirdly, you should be allowed to book your stay, and finally, book things that you want to do when you arrive at your destination. So, let's look at the first prototype that I created for this particular assignment. So, the first one that I created was quite basic, and it allowed you to do a limited number of things. So you can see here it allows you to explore your means of transport, enter your source and destination, and so on. It also gives you pre-planned itineraries based on which place you're visiting. Once you've specified your source and destination, it shows you this page with available modes of transport. So if you've selected a flight, it will show you the available flights for your source and destination, and also this little graph that gives you trends about what flight you're taking and their prices at different points of time. So, and this is a little about page describing the purpose of this particular application. So, as you can see, this is a very preliminary mock-up. It has a lot of problems, such as one of the feedback that I got was it lacks clear navigation links. You don't know how to go from one page to another. It lacked concise text describing what that particular feature is intended for. The flight page needed more information, and um, first and foremost, the most important thing was that it did not accomplish all of the user goals that we highlighted over here. So now let's have a look at the final revised version of our prototype. So this is the landing page. So you can see I've tried to make sure that the navigation is as seamless as possible. The option to book different means of transport is still there. You can enter your source destination, you can go on and search for flights, but you can also book your stay and activities from this landing page as well. So let's click on search. Here you see that it's given you information about different flights that are available, and once you click on one of the flights, it will take you to the payment gateway. This page would be common no matter whether you're booking your flights, your stays, or your activities. Once the flight is booked, it gives you this information, and one of the feedbacks that we got from the earlier mock-up was that the flight details page did not have enough text, so I've added enough information here to make sure that the user is clear about what they've booked. So now we go back to the home page, and we can resume our booking. Now let's say we've accomplished our first user goal. Let's go to the other one where we book our stays. So here you see it's giving different available options, and let's try to book one. Our booking is confirmed, and we go back to the landing page. Now we book activities, similarly select on this activity, and we go back. So this is the final UI mockup. Alright, and I've tried to make sure that I incorporated all the feedback that I got for my previous mockup. What could be done better in this design is first and foremost, I could improvise the navigation pathways. So for example, we saw that after each of the bookings we had to go to the landing page to move on to the next user goal. But it would be useful if I could provide an option to the user to navigate between different goals in each page. So that's something that could be useful. Secondly, another feedback I got was due to the current restrictions, it would be helpful if I could integrate travel restriction policies for each of the regions in my website, and also highlight the safety protocols that are followed by the airlines and hotels. Also, an integration to existing applications like Meetups, which allows you to connect with other travelers, would also be something that would add value. What was done well was I got a lot of feedback that the UI is minimal, and it doesn't have a lot of clutter, which the users thought was very nice. Secondly, every page clearly focuses on one task, so that prevents user from being distracted. And thirdly, that it was aesthetically pleasing. So this is what I have. This was my demo for the final prototype. I hope you liked it, and I look forward to hearing your feedback on this. Thank you.